And also, things around programming and coding, etc. Learn those skills, because those are skills for the future. The teacher transformation that we are getting into needs to make sure that there is appropriate coding. When, for example, this morning when the minister was launching the app, I was really impressed to see 4 young people, and I think they came from UNESCO, who have developed this very complicated application. So which means the ability for you to create something new, innovate something new, particularly the apps WhatsApp, Facebook, were started by young people in the university like yourselves, and today we are really something that we are using on a day-to-day basis. Those are the skills that will be there into the future, and let us make sure that we jump into it, seeing that we like opportunity today.
Yes, so we have developing a certain application, but my stages are okay, so developing because I know what full about the IT, but I don't have ideas, but about
for us at Centene, we have got a process to receive that, so you can always approach our HR team at any time when you feel you've got an innovation that you believe can make a difference in the lives of Maswati, can make a difference in the university. Please do approach us, and we can be able to sit down with you, support you, and also provide some resources so that you can then be able to see a reality out of what we are dreaming and innovating. So we do have a channel where our young people can come through from our HR perspective. But I think generally, I think Eswatini, there's a lot of work that has been done. And the RSTP has got an incubation program today for young people that want to design and come up with those innovative ideas and apps. Please do reach out to them as well. I think there's very good support from the Ministry of ICT around development of apps at the RSTP. But also I think a lot of other organizations are doing well in terms of adopting this digital transformation that I'm talking about, particularly around development of applications for use in industry, for use in businesses, but also for use also in academic life as well.